Hello again. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to create invoices from shipping orders. The idea of uh, creating or turning shipping orders into invoices with a one-to-one relationship, that is, for each shipping order in the system, it creates a corresponding invoice for it. It really is to ensure that you bill your customer for each shipment of their parts. This is to simply ensure that you don't lose any money, that is, parts ship out but with no invoices to account for. To do that, in this example, we're going to assume that all the pricing have been properly quoted for each part, and there's no other, additional charges or anything like that you have to add to these jobs or these shipping orders. So, to create invoices from shipping orders or for previously shipped parts, you would select that from the invoicing module menu right here, and you would go into this option, create invoices from shipping orders. So I'm going to click on that. Here you see a list of all the previous shipping orders that have not been invoiced. As mentioned in the previous videos, when a shipping order is created in the system, it also creates an invoice record to go with it. But at the point of shipping order, the system doesn't it tries to fill in as much information as possible for that invoice, but it leaves out the invoice total, invoice date, or any other charge until you are ready to invoice the shipping order. So to invoice a shipping order, in this example, we're going to select one. Let's say we're going to use shipping order number, but you notice it's the exact same number as the invoice number. So we're going to use shipping order number or invoice number 1069 for Control Manufacturing Company. Just to continue on with our previous example from other videos prior to this one. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And as you can see here, it is the full edit screen details with the invoice total here. It's been pre-calculated with the invoice date. Automatically filled in for you, and everything else, including the bill to company, ship to, other charges, and the unit price, total, and so forth. And if you have, let's say, shipping charge that you want to add to this invoice, you can certainly do that here. But like I said, let's assume that we don't have anything else. You can see how easy it is to simply just call up the shipping order and then just simply verify the price, the total. And at this point, if you have nothing else to add, you can simply click on print to get a hard copy printed out on the printer. Or if you would like to add this invoice to a print batch so that you can print them all at once later on, you can do so by clicking on this add to invoice batch print. Now, in any case, if you click on print or add to print batch or click on save, this invoice will be generated in the system. Let me go ahead and click on print, and we're going to preview this on the screen. Okay, so preview, and here it is. Okay, so this is a preview of the invoice we just generated right here with the tax included. Now, of course, you have the option to email this out to your client if you need to preview this and generate the email attachment, PDF attachment for this invoice. You can do so right here and forward via email to your customer as needed. Okay, so now we can exit out of this, and if we go back and look at this list, now you see that shipping order number or invoice number 1069 is no longer on the list. And the reason for that is simply it's already been invoiced, and this list is really a list of all the shipping orders that have not been invoiced. So the goal for a billing clerk or accounting person, bookkeeping person is to work this list until there's no more entries on this, and just repeat this step the following day or throughout the course of the day as you have new shipping orders that are being generated and added to this list. So the goal really is to work this list to ensure that all your shipping orders have been properly invoiced. Just to summarize, the goal really for this particular option is to ensure that you generate invoices for all your shipments so that really to ensure that you get paid for the work that you do. Okay, so and when you're done, simply just exit out of this and get back to the main menu. We'll see you in other videos exploring other features of the invoicing module. Thank you.